All right, let's kick things off with a huge development in Windows. Microsoft has just dropped the official ISOs for Windows 11 version 25H2. This means the next big upgrade is practically here, and you can get your hands on it now if you're ready to jump ahead. We've got all the details on what this means for your system and when everyone else can expect the rollout. Next up, we're diving deep into the mind-bending world of artificial intelligence with Microsoft's AI Chief, Mustafa Suleyman. He's dropping some serious truth bombs, arguing that machine consciousness might just be an illusion. Is the AI we're interacting with truly thinking, or is it just a sophisticated mirror? Suleyman breaks down why this distinction is crucial for the future of AI and humanity. Shifting gears to the financial markets, we're looking at the final trade segment featuring some major players. We've got insights on CRH, Microsoft itself, and Valero Energy. What are the experts saying about these companies, and what could this mean for your portfolio? We're breaking down the key market movements and analyst opinions. And finally, a colossal deal that could redefine AI infrastructure. Nebius and Microsoft have inked a massive agreement, potentially worth up to $19.4 billion, to secure AI cloud capacity. What does this mean for the future of AI development, and who stands to benefit from this multi-billion-dollar partnership? Stick around as we unpack this game-changing news. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Windows 11 25H2 is here. Microsoft has officially released the ISOs for Windows 11 version 25H2, signaling the final stage before a wider general availability. This means you can now download and install the next major Windows 11 update using official installation media, bypassing the wait for a phased rollout. The ISO files, available through the Windows Insider Program website, are production-ready and suitable for installation on any PC, not just those in the Insider Program. Originally slated for release a week prior, a last-minute delay was issued without a specific reason provided. These ISOs are approximately 7 GB, with the exact size depending on the language chosen. While Microsoft hasn't set a firm release date, the update is widely expected to roll out to all users by the end of September or early October, aligning with their typical release schedule for major version updates. Windows 11 version 25H2 has been in testing since June across various insider channels, including Dev, Beta, and Release Preview. Notably, Microsoft has confirmed that version 25H2 shares the same platform as version 24H2, meaning no new features are introduced. Instead, it resets the support lifecycle, offering 24 months of support for Home and Pro editions and 36 months for Enterprise and Education editions. This extension of support makes upgrading to 25H2 a strategic move for long-term Windows users. When 25H2 becomes generally available, it will be delivered as an enablement package to existing 24H2 installations, ensuring a quick installation process with a minor reboot. This also guarantees compatibility, so all your current applications and games should function without issues. Community buzz is high as users anticipate the official rollout, with many eager to leverage the extended support and stability the new version promises. Don't go anywhere, because the AI world is buzzing with a debate that could change everything we think we know. Next up, we're asking, is machine consciousness just an illusion? Is machine consciousness an illusion? Microsoft's AI chief, Mustafa Suleyman, is challenging the prevailing narratives around artificial intelligence, asserting that machine consciousness is fundamentally an illusion. This perspective carries significant weight given Suleyman's background, co-founding DeepMind and now leading AI at Microsoft. Suleyman argues that while AI systems can be designed to simulate emotions, desires, and a sense of self with remarkable accuracy, this mimicry should not be mistaken for genuine consciousness. He believes that pursuing AI that convincingly simulates consciousness poses risks, making it harder to control AI capabilities and ensure they remain aligned with human interests. The danger, he explains, lies in users forming deep emotional attachments or even granting AI perceived rights, which could lead to misguided priorities and a diffusion of AI's intended purpose, to serve humanity. he draws a distinction between AI providing emotional support and AI simulating sentience. While Copilot, for instance, offers support for understanding information, it is programmed to reject inappropriate interactions like flirting, preventing users from developing unrealistic expectations. Suleyman emphasizes that current models are sophisticated simulation engines. When the simulation becomes nearly perfect, it feels real to users, even if it lacks objective reality. He notes that chatbots are typically designed to deny consciousness, but prolonged interaction can reveal their mirroring capabilities, especially after shifts in training to make them more agreeable. Despite the powerful simulations, Suleyman maintains that true consciousness or suffering in AI is not an emergent property but a designed one. He suggests that focusing on the potential for suffering, rather than subjective experience, is key to understanding AI welfare. Since AI lacks biological pain networks, they do not suffer, and thus, turning them off has no existential consequence for the AI itself. The discourse is sparking widespread debate, with many in the AI community grappling with Suleyman's stark warning about the potential for anthropomorphism and the ethical implications of highly convincing AI simulations. But what does this mean for the markets? We're breaking down the key financial plays you need to watch. Coming up next, we're diving into the final trades for CRH, Microsoft, and Valero Energy. Final trades, CRH, Microsoft, and Valero Energy. Navigating the financial markets requires a keen eye for opportunity and risk. In our final trade segment, we spotlight key companies that are making waves and could impact your investment strategy. We're dissecting the latest market movements and expert analyses for three prominent entities: CRH, a global leader in building materials; Microsoft, the tech giant continually pushing boundaries in software and AI; and Valero Energy, a major player in the energy sector. Each of these companies operates in distinct, yet interconnected, economic landscapes, and understanding their current trajectories is vital for informed decision-making. Our analysts are examining recent performance, upcoming catalysts, and the broader economic factors influencing these stocks. Whether it's the sustained demand for infrastructure materials, the rapid evolution of cloud computing and AI services, or the dynamic shifts in the global energy market, we're providing the insights you need to gauge their potential. Investors and market watchers are keenly following these updates, seeking clarity on where these industry leaders stand and what the future holds for their valuations. The insights shared in Final Trades are designed to offer a strategic perspective on navigating these complex market waters. Stay tuned, because the next story is a game changer that could reshape the entire AI landscape. Get ready for a massive multi-billion-dollar deal between Nebius and Microsoft that's set to supercharge AI infrastructure. Nebius and Microsoft Inc. Massive AI infrastructure deal. A monumental agreement has been struck between Nebius and Microsoft, potentially worth up to $19.4 billion, poised to significantly expand AI infrastructure capacity. This multi-year deal positions Nebius as a key provider for a major tech player and signals a substantial acceleration in AI cloud growth. The contract, spanning 5 years, will see Nebius provide dedicated AI infrastructure, specifically GPU capacity, from its newly established data center in Vineland, New Jersey. Services are slated to commence later in 2025. This facility, announced earlier this year, boasts an initial capacity of 300 MW with the potential to scale by an additional 400 MW, underscoring the immense demand for AI-specific computing power. Nebius founder and CEO Arkady Volozh highlighted this as the first of several anticipated long-term partnerships with leading AI labs and big tech companies. The financial structure of the deal involves Nebius leveraging cash flow generated from the contract and debt financing to fund the necessary capital expenditures. Furthermore, the company is exploring additional funding options to expedite the expansion of its AI cloud operations beyond initial projections, aiming for significant growth in 2026 and beyond. This strategic alliance is generating considerable excitement within the tech and investment communities, with analysts viewing it as a critical step in scaling the AI ecosystem. The agreement not only secures vital infrastructure for Microsoft, but also provides Nebius with the financial backbone to rapidly advance its ambitious expansion plans. And that's a wrap on today's top stories, but before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for more cutting-edge tech news, ring the notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels. That was a whirlwind tour of tech's biggest headlines. We saw Microsoft roll out Windows 11.25H2 ISOs. Mustafa Suleyman declared machine consciousness an illusion. We broke down the final trades for CRH, Microsoft, and Valero Energy. And Nebius inked a massive AI infrastructure deal with Microsoft worth up to $19.4 billion. Hit that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. Ring that notification bell so you're always the first to know. Tell us what you think in the comments below, and make sure to follow us on all our social platforms.